lovely peoples, it's Odette here and welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Hope you guys are doing wonderful. Hope you guys are all doing well today. Thank you for watching and thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you guys my very last BOXYCHARM box. Yes, I've canceled my subscription because I think to me it's just kind of pointless having these boxes every single month, you know, accumulating a lot of makeup and skincare. I already have so many wonderful things I'm using on my skin already, and I thought, what's the point having, you know, all of these products? So maybe later on I may resubscribe again, but for now it's just been canceled. So this is the last one I have. So I'm just gonna pop in here quickly to show you guys exactly what I have in this box today. And of course you always have a card that tells you what's in the box, and we do have 5 full-size items in here. So the first thing I do have is this lovely product. Let me just see quickly what this is. This looks like the perfect duo. This is a travel set. Let me just see quickly on here what it is. It's the Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. This is a perfect dual foundation, yeah, travel set. And so we're just going to open this quickly. And I think what we do have is a little mini brush, which is quite cute. And you also have a beauty blender. So it's great for travel, which is really, really, really cute. Just a little brush you can put on your foundation, your blushes, whatever you want. It's really, really nice for travel. This is amazing. This is absolutely, absolutely amazing. And the retail price on this set is $30. Okay, it is quite lovely. Okay. This is the packaging right here. Next, I do have this product here from Pearlies. I think that's how you say it. This is the Ageless Glow Serum. It's a BB Cream SPF 40. This retails for $40. It has all these wonderful collagens and vitamin C to firm the skin, elasticity, brightens and moisturize while providing full natural glowy coverage and protecting your skin with SPF 40. This is a product right here. I am really looking forward to using this for the summer. And let's just take a look at the product. And here it be. Wow, this is very nice. I am actually surprised every time I get my BOXYCHARM box because the products that I've been getting is really good. Next, I do have Dewy Skin. Let's just see what this one is all about. Let me just see what it is. Oh, Sayate London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. Nice little packaging, real cute. Let me see if I can open this quickly. And these are all full-size items, and this retails for $32, which is not bad. And one of the primers that I do like that came in one of my BOXYCHARM boxes is from Yensa. I'm telling you guys, this primer, it's really good, but I'm looking forward to trying this one for this spring summer season. Oh, next I do have Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $38. Wow, this is amazing because normally these things are so expensive, and it's always nice to get an eyeshadow palette in your box every month. And holy smoke, it has a beautiful mirror, but the colors are dynamite. Look at that. The colors are very pretty, and I love that yellow. Oh my god, it's called Tart. And the names of the eyeshadows are actually on the package, which is really, really nice. I absolutely love that. And this retails for $38. This is a lovely, lovely palette. I am going to be definitely playing with this for the spring and summer season. And the last thing I do have in the box is from Earth Harbor. Let's see what this one is all about. This is a Radiance Balm to achieve bouncy and dewy skin. It has vitamin C, A and K, wonderful amino acids in here. It's a Radiance Balm. Let's open this up. Wow, let me just see if there's a scent to it. me just, ooh, it smells like peach. This is the product right here. And this is the lovely packaging. Really, really, really lovely. I absolutely love what I got in this box for this month. And I think this is my March or April box. I am not even quite sure. But so I do love what I got in the box for this month. So this is the eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bakery. This is a travel kit that has the beauty blender and a brush in it. This is from CRT London, the primer. From Pearlace, this is a BB cream, and I do have the Radiance Balm as well. Really good products this month for BOXYCHARM. It is really, really, really good. And like I said earlier, I've canceled my subscription because I really don't need all of these things. So I'm going to leave these in the description box for you guys. So just in case you want to try BOXYCHARM, it is a monthly subscription. And of course, if you're someone who is just starting out a YouTube channel and you want to do unboxings, this is a really good way to go. Not that I cannot afford it, I just don't want to be accumulating too many things. So thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.